right there, foreigner. Passage here is restricted until we hear otherwise from the first citizen.
Here we are, Ceniza! It sure has been a while since I've been here. That forge sure did a number on the city.
How could closing one forge make this much of a difference?
The forge is often described as the heart of this kingdom, and its only true source of industry. Without it, the economy simply collapsed.
Sure, but also the glass lung, plus the whole feral goblin thingy.
Feral goblin thingy?
It's a technical term. Sometimes people just go feral. Remember those goblins that attacked the square? Used to be normal Sindarians. And it's especially bad here in Ceniza.
Having heard this, I'm curious to know what drove you to accompany us to such a dangerous place.
You see, Dad was a great nomad researcher. The best one! He was trying to create a cure for the people in Cinder. Until he was, well, killed.
Sass.
Don't worry, that's all in the past. Besides, I figured whoever's here curing people might know something about my dad's research. So I thought, why not give it a shot? With the rumors about someone looking for a cure, I figured there might be some connection. I've been wanting to investigate, but this place is pretty dangerous.
I detect organic life forms. Be on your guard.
Help me!
More feral goblins!
I infer from your past actions that we will be helping. Assuming battle position. This is a good opportunity to test your capabilities.
I've got a trick or two up my sleeve, or in my bag, which my sleeve does go into, like partway. You'll see.
A trick?
Just watch. Let me show you how I deal with guys like these. One down, two to go. Time for my special patented surprise attack.
Was that a chicken?
Was it? Oh yeah, I get something different every time.
Are you not selecting what you pull out of your bag?
Sort of. Well, not exactly. Mostly no. Not even a little. I don't need to. It's totally a special bag. I can pull all sorts of stuff out. I just never know what it's going to be. That's a little weird. I've seen weirder. Besides, you get used to it. Whoa, is that part of your powers?
You could say so. I'm a time mage.
Then let me try this again. That's weird.
Even more?
It's never done that before. Could it have something to do with your powers?
I mean, it could be. After all, time changes everything.
Then how about this? Now let me show you my ultimate move! Attack roulette!
How does your device work?
My bag? I don't really know. It used to be my dad's.
So your weapon of choice is a bag of random objects?
Yep, it's more fun that way.
This is horrible. Those brutes used to be normal people.
Yeah, we don't know why, but it happens sometimes. Isn't it crazy? Sindarians turning feral? Weird, right?
I find it strange that you do not appear worried. Your friend Jaru is a Sindarian.
Yeah, I hadn't thought about it that way. Well, best not to dwell on the negative.
You are very peculiar, Zaz, even for a human.
It's just how I am.
Mister? They were gonna kill us! Thank you so much.
It is our pleasure to prevent you from being torn apart by feral goblins.
Excuse me, but have you heard about anyone around here trying to cure glass lung?
I saw someone with a medicine bag. They went northeast a couple minutes before you folks arrived.
And there's our first lead. Let's get going.
Thank you again.
Crisbel, what do you want to do?
I want to record our progress.
I can't help but remember what we used to be. A kingdom that was the pride of goblin folk everywhere. But ever since the glass lung, I've fallen into the pitiful state you see now.
I can't open this door.
There seems to be a lock on the other side.
I can't open this door.
There seems to be a lock on the other side.
What have we done to deserve this? I'm sorry. It's just so hard for me to speak.
Looks like we can unlock it from this side. can unlock it from this side.
It's hard to believe that we were once a mighty kingdom. It just pains me to see Ceniza like this. When I followed Azufra during the revolution, I was hoping for a better future than this.
Cristales, what do you want to do?
I want to record our progress.
someone who has been running around trying to cure glass lung. Wait a second. That outfit! Hey! You're a research assistant, aren't you?
Yes. Or, at least, I was. I've been testing out a few prototypes of a new medicine I've developed.
And I've been assisting her along the way.
Lao? What are you doing here?
For the millionth time, Zas. Please call me Mother Superior.
You're the Mother Superior here. And who is this?
My name is Arola. I'm a researcher who's been studying the glass lung. Finding a cure has been my life's work.
Please, could you give us some of that medicine too? Our friend is very ill.
I'm sorry, but I've already given away all that I had. I don't have any more to give you, even if I wanted to.
Can you not create any more of it?
The medicine is extremely hard to make. It took me months of work just to distill those first few samples.
We don't have months.
I'm sorry. I wish I could help. It's been a lifetime of research, but this is all I've managed.
There she is. The rebel goblin I've been hearing about. Guards! Seize her!
Wait, there must be some misunderstanding.
Please, Azufra, try to understand. Arola hasn't done anything wrong.
There's no mistake, Lao. My people spotted her sneaking around Ceniza, plotting who knows what. Frankly, I'm surprised someone of your stature would associate with someone like this.
She's only trying to help the poor people of Ceniza. You have to understand.
A likely story. She's a rebel, and she's under arrest. You're coming with me, woman.
No, Azufra. This one belongs to the Empress.
You...
Oh no, not these two again.
We have to save Arola. Come on, guys.
You guys again? Always getting in our way. Well, not today. Don't think things will play out like last time, you little pests.
The Empress has gifted us a new device, which will stop your meddlesome powers. There's no way you can defeat us now.
This is getting so annoying!
Where's that little grunt when you need her?
Sorry for the delay.
Kari?
Finally.
You took your sweet time.
Mind your own business. I've got more important things to do than be your babysitter.
Kari, where have you been? What are you doing with the princesses?
Oh, dear little Zaz. I didn't even see you there. You've certainly grown. I'd love to catch up, talk about old times, but my obligations bind me. Farewell, dear sister.
Wait!
Ugh. This is only a tactical retreat. And we're taking these two with us.
No! Let us go!
Stop this at once, princess!
Damn those girls. They're always interfering in something.
Mr. Azufra, I have a proposal.
Oh?
Miss Arola isn't a bad person. She's not a rebel. She's just trying to work on a cure for glass lung.
There is no cure for it. The only thing that even helps is the Empress's medicine. Everyone knows that.
She's healed people here in Ceniza already. We saw it.
I can confirm. It is etched into my memory banks.
Suppose for a moment that's true. What exactly is this proposal of yours, girl?
First, we'll rescue her, and then we'll help complete the medicine. And we'll share it with you once we're done. In exchange for the medicine, can you drop the charges against her? And stop trying to arrest her?
All right, girl. You have a deal. Bring me the medicine and I'll drop all charges. Come see me once you've gotten it.
So, what now?
The logical next step is to follow them. We need to return to Cinder.
giving out more medicine. We need to go after her. Wait, look! That man, in the future, he becomes one of the feral goblins. The kind the Empress is using for her army. The kind that attacked the city earlier.
Based on what you've seen, it appears the Empress's medicine is causing this transformation. A clever and rather effective strategy. Also, completely immoral. This should be noted.
Let's follow them. Maybe we can find out what they've done with Arola.
They're heading east. Let's go!
Shall we make a record of our adventure, Crispell?
I want to record our progress.